Hi, good day. Today we're going to practice the rhythmic activity number 33 to 35. There are only 3 activities, 33, 34, 35, but this is already a little bit complicated wherein it's a little bit difficult compared to the previous activities. Okay? So, in this specific activity, in RRA 33, there is what we call toplet. Okay? There are 3 notes being tied with 3, there is 3 at the top, or it can be written at the bottom. It means you are going to have 3 notes in 1 beat. So it's toplet. There is 3 notes in 1 count. So the counting is 1 to 3, but it should be in 1 beat. So let's start. RRA 33. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. 2, 3, 4. Next, we have the RRA 34. In RRA 34, there is a dotted quarter note. A dotted quarter note receives 1 count plus 1 half, because the dot means half of the quarter note, which is 1 half. So because it is 2 bits, you almost 2 bits, you count 1, 2, and then the half of the other bit is count 1. So that's why we have 1, 2, and for dotted quarter note in 8 notes. So 1, 2, and. Okay. So but it falls in 2 bits. So let's start. RRA number 34. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, and 1. 1, 2, and 1, and 1, 1, and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, we have the RRA number 35. In RRA number 35, there is a dotted 8 note, which means it is half plus 1/4. Okay, so the counts is 1, 2, 3. Okay, you count 1, 2. It's like in the toplet, wherein you count 1, 2, 3, but the 1, 2 falls in 1 note, and then the 3 in the 3rd note. Okay, again, it counts 1, 2, 3. The 1 and 2 counts will be in the dotted 8 note, and the 3 count will be in the 16th note. So this is how to clap the RRA number 35. Let's start RRA number 35. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 and 1, 2, 3. One more time for activity number 35. Ready? 3, go. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 and 1, 2, 3. So that is our activity for this day. So we have activity for RRA number 33 to number 35. So I hope you are going to practice well so that you will be able to perform correctly the rhythmic activity, so that in the next lessons that we are going to play the instrument, you will be having an easy playing or smooth playing in musical instruments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next meeting. Bye-bye. Good morning, ma'am. Uyo'y mag-otso-otso, otso-otso, otso-otso, otso-otso na tayo'y mag-otso-otso, otso-otso, otso-otso, mag-otso-otso na. Bye-bye.